Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. I want to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. Our channel is growing and I'm very happy about that. So I want to say a huge thank you, and if you are not subscribed, well, hit the subscribe button right now because I have some very exciting news to tell you. In that video, I was like, what better way to do my makeup and tell you about all the good stuff of the wedding. I hope you will actually also look at my makeup look because I think it's a very sexy yet not too much of a makeup look, and it's pretty cute. Maybe you can try that on Valentine's Day for your date because it's pretty simple. And yeah, everything that I use will be listed in the description down below if you need the information. But yeah, that's it. Coming back to the wedding. So right now, I know it has been a few moments since we didn't came up with the wedding vlogs, and they are coming back, trust me. It's because around the New Year's and the festivities, we didn't make any videos, any vlogs yet. We spent the time with our family and stuff like that, so we didn't really record anything. But right now we are up and back again in the wedding stuff, so you're gonna see a lot more of the wedding vlogs. So if you are here for it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss anything, because I have vlogs, wedding vlogs coming up. By the way, I recently started to blend my concealer with the beauty blender, and the original one, and I never tried that before, and I think it's very practical, you know. Usually I use my hands, but now I'm trying to use less my hands because, you know, when you have your nails done, it's pretty hard. I know that they are not in this video, but when you have your nails done, it's pretty hard to blend with your fingers. So I had to find a solution, and the solution has been the original beauty blender. So I tried it and it's very good. Now, coming back to the wedding, this weekend we are finally going to taste some of the wedding cake flavors, and I will be making a vlog. So it's gonna be fun because we don't really know, we don't really know exactly what type of cake we want. That's why I was kind of making a poll on Instagram, and if you answered that poll, I'm very glad you did because it helped me a lot. I had no idea of what type of cake I want, but now, like, I showed you a few pictures and you all voted for exactly like the same style, so it gave me a good insight of what I would like to go for a cake. But I was showing you like my favorite cakes and all, so we are going to taste the cake. It's a nice lady who's gonna make the tasting, who's gonna make the cakes. I don't know what we're gonna go for, but stay updated for that. And then the weekend after, or the other one, I think, we are going to go and finalize everything for the decor of the place. Like everything decor from the outside to the inside, we are going to see exactly what we wanted, because last time we went, that you saw on the vlog, we came and they told us that they had all new stuff coming up for 2019, so that we should come back in February to see all the new stuff and to decide what exactly we want for the final. So yeah, it's good that me and Alex have pretty much similar tastes. Like, we don't have to argue a lot on what we want or what we don't want, or maybe Alex is just agreeing with me all the way. But I don't think so, because he always tell me when he doesn't like something, and I always try to compromise and being understanding. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. The decoration is coming up, and that's like kind of my favorite part. Well, not the favorite part, because the wedding dress must be my favorite part, and I actually will tell you just in a minute something about the wedding dress, something funny. But yeah, the decor, you will watch us in a few weeks going to that place and seeing all the new decor they have. It's gonna be like a little party, and then we're gonna decide everything that we want. So many people will be there. It's gonna be so much fun. I also found the girl who's gonna do my makeup on my wedding day, and let me tell you that this was like the hardest thing to do, because I already know what I like in my makeup and how I like my makeup done. So I was looking at all the makeup artists in Montreal and I was like, this is too much, this is not enough. Oh, I want the eyes more like that, more like this. So I really had to pick like one of the best makeup artists in Montreal to do my makeup for the wedding day. And this particular girl, I'm following her for quite some time now. And I was like, I think she can definitely do what I'm looking for, because her makeup eyes game is like on another level. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not that good. That's for sure. So I was very happy to find her. Then I talked with her and everything. I think we're gonna have a try on makeup like in March, somewhere like that. So I'm pretty excited about that too. And yeah, because it was really something for finding a makeup artist. I was hesitating on so many girls, and then I was like, okay, Ines, you have to focus on what's important, and you want a clean makeup, kind of glamorous but not too much. And yeah, I don't even know exactly what I want, but that's why we're gonna have a tryout makeup, and she will probably help me with that. And yeah, so the exciting part, like the part that has been a hustle, like it has been hard from start to finish, is my wedding dress. Like, guys, I cannot express you enough how much of a work it has been for the wedding dress, because I went to try on dresses at not so many places, but few places, and I was even trying to vlog, but they won't let me. They were like, oh no, we don't let people film and everything. And I was like so sad, because I was like, I see many vlogs of people in the United States trying on dresses and stuff like that, but here in Montreal it seems like they are scared if we film their wedding dresses, because they think maybe we're gonna go and find them online and buy them by ourselves. But that was not my intention at all. So I went at few places and I was trying on the dresses, and I was like, everything is awful, like awful. Like, I have curves, and I'm not like, I'm not like skinny, like no ass, no nothing. So I have curves, and I wanted a beautiful dress that can go on my curves and everything. And at the same time, I was like, I need to lose weight for the wedding. So how I'm gonna choose a dress right now, and if I lose weight, how they gonna make the dress fit and everything. But my mom was trying to reassure me, and she was like, Ines, don't worry, even if you lose more weight by the summer, they can adjust the dress and everything, so you have to pick a dress. And when we went at many places, there was like places like for everything wedding, they were asking me, did you find your dress? Did you find your dress? Did you find your dress? And everywhere I was like, no, not yet, not yet. They were like, you're super late, because it's in July. People, they ordered a dress like 8 months before and stuff like that. Then I was starting to really be anxious on that part, because I was like, with my shape, I may find a dress, and then when I lose weight, I don't like it anymore. So I really had to find a dress that I can see myself both ways, either if I lose weight or if I don't lose weight. And that was a real struggle. And I wanted something that's classic yet elegant, and that's like something out of this world. I wanted a beautiful dress, because like I always say, I'm here to get married once. I'm not gonna get married twice. I'm here, this is something that I take very seriously, and this is for life. So when I got to one place and I tried on all the dresses, they were all ugly. My mom was with me, and even her, she was like, no, that's not what I want. I think she wanted the best, like, for me. And my mom was all going on the length, she was like, I want something super long, like, the wedding that we saw recently, and she had a long veil and a super long wedding dresses, the actress, I think it's Prinka or something like that. But anyways, she wanted something super long, and I was like, Mom, you're exaggerating. Me, I want something like super classy, super beautiful. Yes, long and extra, because I'm a little bit extra by nature, but something very classy. I want that to be classy, not like super there, like shiny from the to the moon and back. Not anything like that. So anyways, so I went to one place, then there was this other place that I was like, oh, I'm sure I'm not gonna find anything at that place. They have like normal dress and stuff like that. I was very hesitant to go to this place, and when I got there, the owner of the place came to see me, and she was very, very, very kind, and she started talking to me, and she saw that I was kind of everywhere, you know. I was telling her that my wedding is in July. I didn't find anything. I was even thinking of going to New York, maybe to find maybe a dress there in New York. I was starting to plan like going to New York, but then I was like, you know, I need a dress like this. I was showing her a picture, I was explaining her my style, even if I didn't know exactly what I wanted, but I had like few pictures, and she saw the pictures. She made me try one dress. I swear it was like 10 to 20 times better than any other stores that I've tried before. And then she came up with another dress. It was even better. And then the third dress, like I fell totally in love. Like I swear this dress was like, it's meant for me. You know when they say when you see the dress you just know? Like once I tried this dress, I was completely in love. I didn't want to take it off. And I was like, that's it, this is it. And mind you that I was alone. Like Alex was waiting in another room, and I was alone that day. That's how much like I didn't expect to find a dress that day, because or else I would have told like few friends and my mom to come with me, you know. But I was alone. Then I found it. Then I was like, oh my god, this is exactly what I was looking for. Like your lifesaver. Like I didn't felt like going to New York for a wedding dress and everything, because I wanted, it's not that I wanted something like super out of this world, but I wanted something that I felt good in, and I felt like a true bride, and I felt sexy at the same time, yet classy. It was very hard to find like exactly what I wanted, but I found the wedding dress, and I'm so excited. You have no idea. After that, I called my mom screaming. I called my brother screaming, even if I know that he doesn't really care, like my brother Jimmy. I called him screaming, but his girlfriend was excited. Then I was like, you know, I was super excited. You have no idea. So the wedding dress is found, and that's the most important thing, because everybody was stressing around the idea that if I don't find the dress that I want. So when I found the dress, like everything went smooth. Now we are all relaxing, we can enjoy the time and get ready for the rest of the wedding. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see the wedding dress. I'm sure you're gonna be like kind of surprised and amazed, and you're gonna be happy for me as always, because I know you have my back like I have yours. And yeah, so that was it. I wanted to share the good news with you. I hope you have a really great weekend and everything, and just keep up. Like summer is coming. I feel like in February, March, I'm already excited for summer. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you also enjoyed the look that I made for you. Also, if you have any good advice that you'd like to share with me regarding the wedding or maybe the makeup look, leave them in the comments down below. I love to read your comments. They are so encouraging, and we share so much things, and I'm like getting to know you, and it feels very exciting. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, leave a comment and tell us that you are new here and that you are happy to be in that community, in that family, and we only share positive things, please. And yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm very excited for the next few months that we're gonna share together, and I can't wait to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.